here's some more advanced things that you can try. So I can change my instrument as long as I'm clicked on the track. I can go over here and I can mess around. Maybe I want to try a vibraphone. You're going to see it's going to change up there. I can hit the space bar to play. Okay, maybe I like that. Cool. Or I can try some other things. There's like synthesizer noises. Like, let's try with this one. So that one's a little bit crazy. It might be someone's taste. It's not really mine. Let's try this. House music stuff. That's kind of cool. Okay, so say I like that one. Now I can also change the tempo. So even though I played it at 60 BPM, maybe I want that to be faster. So I'm going to try like 78. I'm going to double click there, change my tempo or my beats per minute, and it's going to be a little faster now. Okay, cool. And you hear it's like going to keep playing because it's kind of a weird sample or weird sound. All right, now I can add another track. So I'm going to hit the plus sign right here, and I'm going to actually use, on GarageBand, there's something called the drummer, and it automatically creates some drums for you. So it's automatically going to create 16 bars of drums broken into 2 8-bars. And there's all different kinds of drums that you can use. So you can select your genre up here. You can select, there's different drummers that have different sounds. I don't want you to just go with the default. Try some of these other ones. If you click on something and it says you need to download music or you need to download the stuff from the internet, like if you see over here, these little download things, I just have to put in my user information and I can download those, and we'll just have to do it one time. So let's listen to the drums. I'm going to do Command Z to go back. We're going to listen to the drums they gave me. And I'm not really hearing mine, so I'm going to turn this up. Okay, that's kind of cool, but I want to try another one of these drummers. Let me try Anton, see what he's got. And maybe I want to even start it off more simple. So I can move this around right here. Right now I'm at loud and complex. I can move over to like simple and softer drums. So maybe I want to start off kind of there for my first 8. And I can see these audio waveforms are moving. I can also mess with this stuff over here. So I can change. And then you're going to see right before you hit the 9th bar, something different is going to happen there. Now, I don't love this. I want you guys to mess around a little bit more. Maybe I want to try R&B kind of drum. See, I'm getting these arrows pointing down. That means they have to be downloaded. So please ask me when you need something downloaded. Let's try Maurice. I'm going to change the drummer. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to see what the default is. That means they gave this to me. And maybe I want this even faster. All right, so, okay, say I like that. My first 8, I'm still going to mess with it a little bit. I can try these different things that they're giving me. But like I said, I like to kind of start off with my drums a little simpler. And then in my second 8, it's almost like a beat drop. I like my drums to be a little bit more exciting there. And I can play around with these different cymbals and hi-hats. All of these things are customizable. And I don't want you to use just the default that they gave you, but play with these. So this is what I've got now. So it starts off kind of slow. And we can see, we can look at the waveforms of the drums and know it's going to pick up. All right, and then when you get what you want, you are going to, again, I'm not going to be able to hear it when it's in .band form, so if you're ready to turn it in, you can go to Share, Export Song to Disk. It's going to create a new username or a new file name for you because it's based on the time. And I can go again to that GarageBand folder, make sure it's an MP3 and export it. It's going to bounce those tracks. It's going to convert it to an MP3 file, and then you guys can add that to the assignment and upload it. And I want to see you challenge yourself, so if you've already done this and you want to try some other things, start to click around. This one right here allows you to add reverb and echo. It allows you to pan, which is moving back and forth between your two channels of audio. Like when you're listening to headphones, you could pan so it starts in your left ear. And I just click on this thing and I get these little nodes. So mess around, play with that. This means that it'll start off in one ear and go to the other. Maybe I want it to go back to the center. So just start to play. There's not really anything wrong. I just want you to experiment, try different things, try different sounds. All right, good luck.